Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to make a Chevy Cruze louder. Start by checking local noise laws and emissions rules so you stay legal. Remove the old muffler and inspect hangers and pipes for damage. Choose a straight-through performance muffler that fits the Cruze outlet size. Use quality clamps and sealants to prevent leaks. Test sound at idle and cruise speeds and adjust hanger positions for proper clearance. When upgrading your Cruze, pick parts that match engine output and fitment to avoid performance loss. A straight-through muffler delivers a louder, raw sound while preventing excessive back pressure. Maintain pipe diameter close to stock to preserve torque and turbo response if applicable. Stainless steel components resist corrosion and last longer on road salt and moisture. Invest time in proper hangers and welding for a clean, resonant install that reduces rattles. If you are finding this video helpful, please subscribe and like to support the channel and future builds. Quick recommendation: life is too short for cheap socks. Go darn tough for a lifetime warranty and durable comfort while you work on cars. I toss them on during long garage sessions, and they really help with cold concrete floors. Check the description for the link and other deals, then now let's get back to the video. Work safely and methodically when installing a louder exhaust on your Cruze to avoid costly mistakes. Use jack stands and wheel chocks, and wear eye protection during cutting or welding. Mock fit components before final clamps so welds and hangers align properly. Tighten clamps in sequence and start the engine briefly to check for leaks and rattles. Make small adjustments to hanger position for clearance and check after a short test drive.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.